We opened up the backyard bird bath right on Memorial Day, the traditional opening day for swimming pools all across the country. This American robin was one of the first birds to take a dip. Robins rarely appear at my feeders because their favorite foods aren't on the menu, but they are enthusiastic bathers. I think this chatty robin might be a female. According to the Cornell Lab of Ornithology, females have more white coloration on their breast and neck. I can't be sure though. If you think you can tell if this bird is male or female, please leave a comment on the video and let me know. Maybe this robin an hour later is a male. Again, if you have an opinion one way or the other, let me know in the comments. Sorry about all the construction noise. Mourning doves are also big bird bath enthusiasts. Sometimes they like to just sit and soak, looking like ducks with their legs underwater, something I call ducking around. But they get in the mood to splash eventually. Here the doves are joined by a common grackle. He wants to hydrate some kitty kibble he took from the crow feeder at the picnic table. The doves seem unbothered. I wish I could dry off like that. Sorry about the construction noise again. The wings of mourning doves often squeak when they fly. Another robin. I'm going to have to censor the cloaca in this footage. It's just a bit egregious. It seems like he has to find just the right spot to splash. Well, look at that. The robin has company. Let's see how this goes. Hey, what you doing, fellow dove? The robin's all like, I will scare them away with my mighty splashing. A grackle! Finally, some privacy. Listen to him chatter as he flies off. Another day, another dove ducking around. Uh-oh, it's a bath off. After the bath, it's time to preen. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share. For more birdbath videos, please consider subscribing. As always, everyone, thank you for birdwatching.